Guys, the weather in California is very hot, so you will see me making all kinds of cold drinks or milkshakes. So, if you want to know, what's the next step? Guys, the weather is very hot, so I'm in my freezer and I'm looking for something I can make. I was thinking of Oreo cookies or Oreo milkshake, so I have magnolia ice cream taro made with real taro. And here's another one. You have premium magnolia avocado with real avocados. And then I also have French vanilla and chocolate chip. So mint chocolate chip. So we'll see. Follow me, my friends. My family and friends, I decided to have the French vanilla flavor and the avocado, real avocado. So this would be good, and please watch the next step so you will know what I'm going to do. Okay, my family and friends, these are the ingredients of the Oreo milkshake. We have avocado with real avocado, magnolia brand, and then we have Dreyer's ice cream vanilla or whatever you like, and then we have Oreo cookies because we're making Oreo milkshake. We have milk. And then we have Nescafe Ice Java, or if you have a chocolate syrup, you can do that. This one is with cold milk, chocolate mocha. So these are the ingredients, and I will show you the next step. Okay, my family and friends, if you have a cup or anything, a glass, you decorate that one with your chocolate syrup first, and then you can put in the refrigerator first, or something cool, while making the rest of the ingredients. Okay, next you need to put 2 scoops of avocado, or any, you can have chocolate, whatever you like, on the blender. Whatever ice cream you like, you can do that. So here's 2 scoops of avocado with real avocado ice cream, magnolia flavor brand. And then here's 2 scoops of vanilla Dreyer ice cream, or Dreyer brand. Close that up, and then we need to put a cup of milk. Okay, a cup of milk to the blender. And then, of course, Oreo cookies. Yay! Drop into the blender Oreo cookies. And then blend it. There we go. And then this is, I'm using Ninja blender because this is stronger. You can crush this with ice, ice. This is also another ice crusher, or you can do whatever you like. Here you can make a dough, you can blend, you can crush. See that? A professional 1500 watts power. You can make a dough, you can blend, you can crush, or you can use single service. So let's do it. So it's very easy, my friend. You just have to hit power. So hit power, see that, light up. And then if you are blending, hit blend. If you make a dough, hit dough. If you want to crush the ice, hit the crusher. But this one blend, just like that. See, very easy.